Great Danes are majestic and gentle giants, known for their regal appearance and calm demeanor. However, behind their stoic facade lies a sensitive nature that can often be overlooked. One of the areas where their sensitivity truly shines is their reaction to loud noises. Loud noises can be a major trigger for anxiety in Great Danes. Common noises such as thunderstorms, fireworks, or even construction noises can send them into a state of panic. This sensitivity to loud noises is not limited to Great Danes. However, their size makes their reactions more noticeable and sometimes more difficult to handle. The loud noise sensitivity in Great Danes can present itself in various ways. Some dogs may tremble uncontrollably, pant excessively, or even try to find a hiding spot to escape the noise. Others may become destructive, chewing on furniture or household items in an attempt to relieve their anxiety. It is essential for dog owners to understand these signs of distress and provide their Great Danes with appropriate support during these episodes. One of the most important aspects of managing a Great Dane's sensitivity to loud noises is creating a safe and secure environment. Providing a designated safe space where the dog can retreat during noisy situations can help alleviate their anxiety. This can be a cozy corner with their bed, toys, and blankets, or even a crate covered with a comfortable and calming blanket. This safe space serves as a haven for the dog, allowing them to feel protected and secure. Another effective strategy for managing loud noise sensitivity in Great Danes is desensitization and counterconditioning. This involves gradually exposing the dog to their trigger noise at a low volume and associating it with positive experiences such as treats, playtime, or cuddles. Over time, this can help reduce their fear and anxiety towards loud noises. It is important to start with low-intensity sounds and gradually increase the volume as the dog becomes more comfortable and relaxed. Additionally, there are various products available in the market that can help alleviate a Great Dane's sensitivity to loud noises. Calming vests or wraps, which apply gentle pressure on the dog's body, can have a soothing effect and reduce anxiety. These products mimic the sensation of being hugged or swaddled, providing a sense of comfort and security for the dog. Pharmaceutical interventions can also be considered for severe cases of loud noise sensitivity. Consultation with a veterinarian can help identify appropriate medications that can help alleviate anxiety and fear during loud noise events. However, medication should only be used as a last resort and under the guidance and supervision of a qualified professional. It is important for Great Dane owners to be proactive in managing their dog's sensitivity to loud noises. Regular exercise and mental stimulation can help to reduce overall anxiety levels and make the dog more resilient to stressful situations. Engaging in activities such as obedience training, puzzle toys, or interactive games can redirect their focus and help build their confidence. Lastly, it is crucial for Great Dane owners to remain calm and composed during loud noise events. Dogs are highly perceptive creatures, and their reactions can be influenced by their owner's behavior. Remaining calm and reassuring can help convey a sense of safety and security to the dog during these challenging times. In conclusion, Great Danes are beautiful and gentle creatures with a hypersensitivity to loud noises. Understanding and addressing their fear and anxiety towards these sounds is crucial for their overall well-being. By creating a safe environment, implementing desensitization techniques, and providing appropriate support, Great Dane owners can help their beloved companions manage their sensitivity and lead happier, more peaceful lives.